very vast ocean, endless, so deep, beautiful ripples on the surface, waves, they are moving, they don't stop anywhere. So much of constancy is there in the movement of the waves. Tides are also continuous, at times rising, at times falling. They are summing up life. They are embodying all characteristics, all features of life. Life is also like this. At times there's a rise, at times there's a fall. But despite this kind of rise, despite this kind of fall, life must be led and struggle must continue. Struggle should also be continuous, perseverance, that is what is being reflected through the movement of these beautiful waves. Nature at every step, nature at every stage, nature at every phase of life guides. Therefore, let us love nature, let us love and adore and worship every manifestation of nature. This beautiful, vast, deep, profound sea also is the beautiful manifestation of nature. Therefore, we worship this beautiful, vast ocean and we adore our Mother Nature.